Hello everybody, I'm Caroline and this is the North Dakota Evening News. Our big story of the night is the fast-paced spreading of an unknown disease in this area. The Center for Disease Control has been covering up most of this pandemic, but our top reporter, Chantal, was able to get an inside look at what is really going on. We now go to her on this cutting-edge story.
Thank you, Caroline. I'm here at the CDC headquarters with Jared, who is the leader of this project to eliminate the pandemic in our area. So tell me, Jared, have you guys found what is responsible for the pandemic?
As a matter of fact, we have. It turns out that the disease responsible for this pandemic is scarlet fever.
Is there any evidence to find this?
Yes, there is, Chantal. We took blind tests, blood tests from some of the victims, and put it through our disease scanner, and there's no mistaking that it was scarlet fever.
Can you tell us the symptoms so that our audience can recognize that they have it before it's done?
I would be happy to tell you the symptoms, Chantal. This disease causes your body to have a high fever, body aches, vomiting, red spots, and all over the victim's tongue and mouth, and it also causes the victim to get a rash that spreads all over the body. It is highly contagious, so if you or a family member gets it, take extreme caution around them, and always wash your hands before this disease can be spread by touching.
Thank you for your time and the information you have given us, Jared.
You're welcome, Chantal.
I am Chantal from North Dakota Evening News, signing out. Back to you, Caroline.
Thank you, Chantal. She also gathered more information about the scarlet fever pandemic, and we have the charts right here so that we can show you how serious this disease is. As you can see, this is a huge problem. The equation that shows how fast the disease is spreading is y equals 2 times 3 to the x power. For those of you who don't understand the equation, this means that since y represents the number of people infected and x infected in the week before. Take a look at the table. We are in the 5th week of the epidemic, and now there is 486 people infected. Last week, there was only 162. If you're still not convinced, take a look at this graph. As you can see, this pandemic is no laughing matter. Its rapid growth is dangerous, and we want all of you to be careful. Thank you for watching the Evening News. Good night, everybody.